In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit labels in Todoist quickly and easily if you use labels to organize tasks, projects, or priorities. Knowing how to update them is a simple way to keep your workflow clean and efficient. Whether you want to rename a label or change its color for better visibility, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Todoist tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Todoist and look at the left-hand sidebar. Move your mouse over the Filters and Labels tab to expand that section. Once it opens, scroll down until you reach the Labels section. Here you'll see all of the labels you've created in your Todoist account. Now find the specific label you want to modify. Hover your mouse over that label and you'll see a 3 dots icon appear next to it. This is the More Actions menu, and it gives you extra options for managing that label. Click the 3 dots icon, then select Edit Label from the menu that appears. Todoist will open the label settings so you can make your changes. From here, you can change the name of the label if you want it to be more clear, more specific, or simply better organized. You can also select a new color circle to help the label stand out visually. This is especially useful if you rely on color coding to sort tasks faster at a glance. After making your changes, double-check everything to make sure the label name and color are exactly how you want them. When you're ready, click Save to apply the update. Todoist will immediately update the label across your account, so any tasks using that label will reflect the new name or color right away. And that's it. You've successfully edited a label in Todoist. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look, and it can make a big difference in keeping your task system organized and easy to manage. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Todoist tips, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.